This is going to be a video tutorial on how to add alt text to an image in Gmail. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have my browser open now and I am on Gmail. I've begun to compose an email here. To add alt text to an image in Gmail, it's very easy to do. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to add an image to this email that I'm composing. I have some images in a folder here, and I'm just going to drag one of them over by holding down the left mouse button. I'm going to let go of the left mouse button, drop it in there. Now to add alt text to this image, first thing you want to do is left click on the image to select it. Then down below here, you can see these boxes open up down below it. I'm going to click on Edit Alt Text. Now a little dialog box opens up here, and by default it just has the name of the name of your image file is in the alt text. What you want to do is erase that, and you could type in whatever you want to describe the image. I'm going to type Craig's logo image. Then I'm going to go down to the bottom and I'm going to click on Apply. Now when I left click on the picture and I go down to the bottom, click on Edit Alt Text, the alt text is what I had just provided, Craig's logo image. I'm going to get out of that. That is how to add alt text to an image in Gmail. Thanks for watching.